Dearest, I feel certain that I am going mad again. And I shouldn't recover this time. I began to hear voices. And I can't concentrate. So I'm doing what seems the best thing to do. You have given me the greatest possible happiness. I can't fight it any longer. I know that I am spoiling your life, that without me you could work. And you will, I know. You see, I can't even write this properly. I can't read. What I want to say is, I own all the happiness of my life to you. I want to say that everybody knows it. If anyone could have saved me, it would have been you. I can't go on spoiling your life any longer. I don't think two people could have been happier than we have been.